My name is Kris Duerson. I'm the owner and founder of Rapid River Knifeworks. It started 20 years ago, basically in a barn with one grinder, one buffer, and a really big dream. And this is a great example of the American dream. The Upper Peninsula is kind of the Wild West to a lot of people that even live below the Mackinac Bridge, which it is in a way, but it's just a special place that a lot of people have never been to. It's kind of a hidden gem up here, actually. It's just a great place to live and raise children, and I wanted to do that here, and I was determined to do that here. The last 2 years, we've seen a tremendous amount of a huge increase in traffic, and it's primarily all tied to the tourism industry and the pictured rocks and camping, the outdoors. People want to be outside now. They want to be outdoors. They want to be a little bit farther away from people, and they want to experience the outdoors more and not be packed into a city. So I think that's why we're starting to see so many people heading to the Upper Peninsula, because it has been a hidden gem. And it is still somewhat remote, but it's a beautiful place to visit. And once you come to the UP, you'll never forget it, and you'll definitely be coming back.